Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we witnessing a correction right now and what's happening, why can it actually continue, and also on the other hand, some analysts are saying that the Bitcoin is still in a bullish phase. So let's discuss this. Okay, the second important thing that President Biden signs the infrastructure bill into law and what could be the consequences. And the third thing I would like to talk about, that Google searches for NFTs spiked to record highs, and actually more people searching on the word NFT than on the previously popular ones like DeFi, Ethereum, or even blockchain. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, then definitely subscribe to this channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest every weekday. Simple, subscribe, bell button, all. That's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And staying up to date, it's crucial. You know, even now it happening correction. And it's good to know what is happening really on the market. I'm going to talk about it in this video. And also check out the links under this video, because there are many useful ones. First of all, the free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And the second thing is, useful links you can save money with. For instance, transaction fees. You will get a discount if you sign with those links to those exchanges. And now let's move on to the market, where we can see this correction right now. So Bitcoin is down 7% in the last 24 hours. At the moment, 6,875. Ethereum is also down 7%, 4,323. When we're looking at the top gainers today, we still see Stacks going up 54%, UMA 28%, but after that, basically nothing. And when you're looking at the losers, we have mainly losers. Well, that's an interesting one. I have to check. I'm not sure. Well, this is a significant one. LivePeer, 98%. What happened here? I'm not sure. Wax, 14%. Crypto.com going down 12%. And, you know, as you can see, many big corrections. Some people would say, you know, it's shopping time. But just for the good products, when you're looking at Bitcoin, you can get it right now on a discount price, such like Ethereum and many good ones. Not financial advice. You do your own thing. But if you believe in crypto, then you would like to get these assets always on a cheaper discount price. And these are the times. But will this continue? Let's talk about it. So the first thing I would like to talk about today is definitely Bitcoin and all about this price drop, what we're witnessing on the market. But basically, Bitcoin is leading it. So look, when we look in this candlestick chart, it's very important to see that we have here a bearish divergence. So basically, you see higher highs in the price, but on the other hand, on the RSI, we have lower highs. And why is this important? Look at historically, this is actually a bearish pattern, but if we just go back for this year, and then I have marked it for you, look what happened when the similar situation appeared on this chart. This is the period where we've seen, you know, mid-April, and after then, here was a big correction. And the same pattern, a bearish divergence we could see here. If we go on here, which is the second one, also this year, we're talking about, you know, starting from mid-August until it went up till kind of 8th of September, and then we could see a price drop. And now the same situation is happening. Look, we're having the same pattern, and then we have here the price drop. Can it continue? Yes, it can, of course. Nobody knows the bottom. But you could see here the support levels. The first one was important here around 63, which I had here this, triangle shape. Then we broke this 63. This was one. And then we had this support line here. This was also broken and looks as soon as we broke it, the candle, it just went down. This is here. You can see it on the daily candle. Maybe on the 4 hour, we can see things a bit better as we can see how it continues to going down. And then we had the next level, next support level, which was around 60. And we broke that one as well. By the way, we came back kind of, but we almost reached the 58,000. And, well, you know, we still look bullish in the long term, but definitely you can see now that this pattern was broken. And when this trend line was broken and we went down all the way here, we changed it to a bearish mode a little bit. So now we should see which way are we going right now. On the other hand, you know, analysis see Bitcoin as still in the bullish phase despite of this pullback, but it remains to be seen whether investors will continue to accumulate Bitcoin in hopes of long-term gains. So they say, we're looking at the bigger picture, we're still in bullish if these investors continue to invest. For example, the chart below shows the Mayer multiple, a simple oscillator that measures the divergence between Bitcoin's price and its 200-day moving average. So the oscillator is still below extreme levels seen earlier this year, indicators further room for Bitcoin trend higher. So if you're looking at this one, then you can see, look, we had here this dips, and after that, the price went up every single time, you know, when we had a kind of peak, top of the bull market. We had this significant growth here in this Mayer multiple, you know, reflects distance away from 200 moving average, as you can see. And look, right now we're down here. So we're not even close to that. We're not close to extreme levels. So compared to this indicator, oscillator, yes, this could be the case. Some analysis also point to increasing transactions by Bitcoin whales, large holders basically, as a sign of growing investor demand. It's the largest movement I have ever seen since 2017, excluding outliers, says Kyung Ju, the CEO of CryptoQuant, and wrote it in his blog post. So this also shows that, you know, these big amounts which are moved here going into the bullish direction. But we should be aware with what's happening right now with this bearish divergence. Okay, so I wanted to just point out, and guys, then you will see it later. Yes, now don't get confused. We are on the 4 hour one, but when we would jump back on the daily one, you know, it would be much clearer what's happening. Yeah, put it this way. Okay, and now it's time to move on to the next news, which is all about that President Biden signs the infrastructure bill into law, and what are the consequences here. Joe Biden basically have now signed the infrastructure bill into law, which means it's going to happen. Well, it's not now, basically. It will go live in 2024. But, you know, there are interesting parts in it. So the bill, as it passed, will implement tighter rules on business handling cryptocurrencies and expand the reporting requirements for brokers. The bill mandates that going forward, digital asset transactions worth more than $10,000 be reported to the Internal Revenue Service, so RSI basically. And, you know, it has many parts, this bill, but, you know, also they will keep money printing. It's no question. It's also a huge part of it. But, of course, from our point of view, from crypto point of view, it will have a lot of points, which makes crypto really difficult in the US. And look, it's scheduled to go into effect starting in 2024. And now when this happened, we have senators, they are really would like to change it. So Bitcoin Senator Loomis joins Wyden to undo crypto language in infrastructure bill. The senators want to non-custodial crypto actors explicitly excluded from ISA reporting requirements. So those who, not holding their crypto, why they should do it. So they would like to make some kind of changes. And as the bill really goes live in 2024, we do have some time to it. So we will see how things will play out. This is just a couple of years away. But so far, the important thing is that Biden has signed it. Okay. The next thing I would like to talk about is NFT. How popular it is as Google search for NFT spikes to a record high. So let's talk about it. NFTs are definitely hot, and this is another proof for it. So Google search for NFT spikes to record high. Search queries for an NFT and non-fungible token have become even more popular than searches for Dogecoin, blockchain, and even Ethereum. So people more searching for that word. So why the bubble initially appeared short-lived, with the search volume drying up by roughly 75% as the end of June, interest began to bounce back in July before breaking into new highs at the end of October, as you can see here. So the spike in the interest has been NFT overtake many of keywords that having long dominated crypto-related search traffic, including DeFi, Ethereum, and even the word blockchain. And when you're looking at here, you can see it even more clearer how NFTs spiked here. This was, last year basically. And then we do know it was like a hype in January and February with NBA Top Shots. And then it died a little bit. And then we had this summer kind of period. And now here, this is August. And again, it went down, but now it went up again like crazy. And, if you can get other words than even, crypto here, it hasn't even reached its peak. If you searching on Bitcoin, for instance, then you can see it's not even close to its previous highs. On the other hand, when you're looking at NFT, it is still extremely hot. So according to the Google trend, NFT search traffic is currently dominated by Asian nations, with China, Uganda, Singapore, Hong Kong, and the Philippines topping the keyword search ranking. So those guys are the most, excited about NFTs. And this is the reason why I'm saying that NFTs will be here with us. We have always hypes, then it goes up and then it goes down. But it shows that the overall interest in NFT is getting bigger and bigger. So that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. If you would like to stay up to date, subscribe to this channel, Blockchain Bloom. And guys, don't forget, tomorrow I'm bringing you again the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.